Lena.
Yeah. That's a little bunny basket. Why don't you put it on the sofa there? Find things in there from Grandma for Lena. Wonder if there's anything like that for Daniel.
That's something for Daniel.
Yeah. Where am I looking? It's over in this area. This area somewhere. That may be too complicated of a clue.
Is there anything in the bucket?
A thing in a bucket.
It's a little basket for Daniel from Grandma.
Yeah, cute. I said it down. Set
down by Lena's?
Yeah.
Show me your basket.
That's my basket.
Okay, look up at Mama.
Look at Mama.
Basket.
Oops, oops. Okay, you stay put.
Basket.
Say, I got my eggies. Have to look at me.
Look at Mama.
Yeah, good job. But there's still at least one more.
This one.
Aha!
That's one more.
Put it in gently. Good job.
What?
How about on other bookshelves?
My bookshelf. Oh, this is an egg.
Well, that's the chicken eggie.
Yeah, you can put it in your basket.
How about on shelves out here?
Oh.
Maybe not even bookshelves.
There are shelves out there?
No.
Yeah, I think there are.
What are these?
No.
It's not a bookshelf?
Yeah. Oh, I have one.
How about on the island?
And then?
In the kitchen. The thing in the middle of the kitchen. Over on this side. And then look on the shelf. No, the shelf's the kitchen shelf. By the Tupperware, by the plastic containers.
No, it's a pet.
Yeah, well, the prints are totally dive bombing. Look down.